Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day. It's Wednesday, March 29th. Wow, this quarter actually is going by pretty quickly here. We got just one economic news release scheduled for today, and that is the pending home sales for the month of February. So if you remember back in January, we had a drop of 2.8%. We got the flip side now. We actually went up 5.9% in February. So a nice, good month in February. Good, decent numbers there after a drop in January. Today, the headline news is stock market's a big mix. So pretty much all indexes actually started off lower, but the shortly after a couple hours, the S&P and Nasdaq went up, and then Dow right now is down. As we're doing this, we're down about 50 points on the Dow. Dow broke its a losing streak basically yesterday. It went in a positive territory yesterday. That was kind of highlighted by the consumer confidence. It was a really hot number, and we hadn't seen that number in quite some time at 125 yesterday on the index. So, also another day we got some more Fed speakers speaking today. So so far nothing out of the ordinary has been said. I think it was one of them said yesterday, basically reiterated expects 2 rate hikes this year. I think even Esther George had mentioned that she's not so much in favor of. I think she was actually she's a non-voter, but she's not really in favor going too fast and stymie the economy. So, but she's a non-voter, so what she says isn't as important, primarily because she's not a voter at this point. So, but of course, it's always important to listen to them to get their insight to where things are at. Also, last but not least, we got the Brexit begins. The UK invoked their Article 50 today, and now is beginning the process of removing themselves from the EU. So this is kind of unprecedented territory. Investors don't know what to expect because this has not happened, and so everybody's kind of, I guess, not really eagerly, but of course they're kind of going to stand back and watch to figure out what's going to happen. London's been kind of a financial center of the world, basically, and some think they might lose that status as they remove themselves from the EU. But time will tell. So we'll have to kind of wait and see. They might have some short-term hiccups, but long-term, maybe it's better for them. We'll know until obviously it happens. Let's take a look here at the bond market. And today we had a huge sell-off yesterday, as we said. As we've been cautioning, we've been in this territory and we get pushed down at times, and 100-day moving averages move down. Now that's part of the ceiling of resistance here. So we touched it on Monday, and Tuesday we pulled back, and we dropped all the way down just slightly below the first resistance and almost to the 10-day moving average. So kind of in between, we settled. Today we started up higher. Right now we're up about 22 basis points. So we're starting to gain some of the losses we had yesterday. So it's possible we could be kind of in this tight range here for a little bit here until we get the 10-day moving up, and the 100-day at one point will probably knock us one way or the other. So again, we'll see how much more influence the Fed will, not the Fed, the Brexit will play in these rules. Also, I think in April here we got France will be having their elections coming up, so there's been concern about Le Pen's maybe winning, because if he wins, that may also be another country that could pull out of the EU. They kind of avoided that in I think it was Netherlands or Belgium, where the person was looking at maybe leaving, but he didn't get voted in. So, anyways, I forget his name, but anyways, that was a concern as we witnessed a few weeks ago in the markets here. So, anyways, we did have a price for the worst. A lot of investors did have pricing for the worst yesterday because that happened kind of earlier on. Today we will get better price, or we have better pricing reflecting from yesterday's close. So that's obviously a good sign for people looking to refinance or purchase. So that's good news. All right, folks. So that concludes it. Excuse me. But if you guys want more data throughout the day, just come over to Twitter. You can find me at Mike Bjork, and you can get more updates throughout the day. Even market changes and such. Also, if you're looking to purchase or refinance, I do provide financing. So I do work with a direct lender, and we can assist you on those capacities as well. You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.